make a necklace.
The easiest way to finish a necklace made with ribbon is to use fold-over crimp ends. First, fold down the end of the ribbon approximately 1/8 of an inch. Then, fold it down over once again. Then, make perpendicular folds, bringing each side towards the middle and making the end of the ribbon about as wide as the crimp end. Lay the folded ribbon end inside the crimp, leaving a small piece of the ribbon sticking out at the top. Next, use a pair of flat-nosed pliers to hold the tab of the crimp end. This will also hold the ribbon securely. Finally, using another plier, fold down one side of the crimp onto the ribbon and repeat this on the other side. Now you are ready to attach a clasp or toggle to the end of the ribbon.
And now it's your turn.
For more beading tips and techniques, as well as jewelry designs and all of your beading supply needs, visit BreitlingBeads.com.